Kwatanzwa kutaura chokwadi chero tikasimbisana muzvikona zvakaita sei. Aiwa tazosekwawo mana. This is so sad. I need to show you this embarrassment. Ndibaba vanotoriwo nemhuri ava. Let me just play this video.
Manje wena into kumele uyaqitheka usenishifta simtholile ke manje hambe ekhaya mnumzana sithini hambe yenzani manje hambe ekhaya asiyakuhlebela mnumzana hambe ekhaya ungasifunda manje wena into kumele uyenza manje ugibela itaxi mnumzana ngithi uyenza kanjani yes hambe ekhaya mnumzana asifuni ukukushasa ukwenzani asifuni imali yakho asifuni lutho asihambe lapha mnumzana uyogibela itruck foreigner ligibela itruck South Africa asamna night asimisele ugibela wahamba uzobona ukuthi ufika lapha imisele taxi ukungena ufuna ukushaya uzofona ngendlela uyaqitheka usenishifta simtholile ke manje hambe ekhaya mnumzana.
This is an old man. If I'm saying an old man, I don't mean ukuthi mina achembera. This is an adult and a respectable man who is being abused like this just because he's a foreigner in South Africa. Just because in Zimbabwe we don't have meaningful jobs. Just because in Zimbabwe we don't have meaningful activities, economic activities happening. We are being treated like trash. Just imagine the pain. Just imagine the trauma. This video has been circulating on social media for a very long time. Just imagine what will happen if the family gets to see this. The embarrassment. This is an employed person who probably lost his job after this. But the government in Zimbabwe is ignorant. The government in Zimbabwe does not care. The government of Zimbabwe will continue to say, ushungurudzwai makanyarara, kaurai makanyarara. Team Zimbabwe, it's time. Zvinonaka zvisati zvasvika kumba kwako. But either way, I know kuti ingava utano, ungava mhosva mumakoti, ingava chi kuchikoro kana kupi, one day zvichakubata newewo. Remember, you might be comfortable today because you are alive. But hauzive zvinoita upenyu nomuka wakafa mangwana. Vana vako vanosara vachiita sei? Mukadzi wako achasara achiita sei?